Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable emoji suggestions on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here scroll down to the system. Now just tap to the languages and input and go to the one screen keyboard. In our case that's the Gboard. And now just go here to the emoji stickers and gifts, and here as can you see we got the suggestions. Just to enable the emoji suggestions, tap here on the switcher, and as can you see we just activate the emoji suggestions on our device. Also we can activate the stickers if you want, or emoji stickers. And if you want to just turn off this function, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.